Hello and welcome to HW News. Today is May 17th, that is the last day of the lockdown 3 that has been imposed in India. Now from May 24, India is under a complete lockdown. Many economic activities were completely shut. There were restrictions in the place, public places, public gatherings, religious, political gatherings were banned, gymnasium, public places, parks, swimming pools, theatres, entertainment parks were completely closed down, and there were restrictions imposed on the basis of the status of the district, including the red zone, orange zone and green zone. So for these three phases of lockdown, we saw there were some curbs initially, some stringent curbs initially. Public transport was completely closed down. No railways were plying on the roads, no buses were plying on the roads. Only for the essential services, these public transport services were going on. But as the lockdown proceeded further, as the lockdown was extended, we saw some relaxations in these curbs. As country now move towards the fourth phase of the lockdown in India, different states are planning, they are strategizing as to how to relax the curbs more. So today we are going to talk about different states and what their strategy for the lockdown phase 4 includes. Let us start with Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh has proposed resuming all the economic and public activities in non-containment areas. The southern state has 2,307 COVID-19 cases according to Home Ministry data and has recorded 48 deaths so far. Let's move on to Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, addressing the media yesterday after receiving feedback from the residents, said that some economic activities should be allowed in Delhi except in containment zones. He called for lifting more curbs in Delhi. He also said that the government is considering starting metro but with certain limitations. Markets, malls can be opened up on odd even days as per the suggestion from the Market Association. However, the Delhi government will decide about this in consultation with the central government. Let's move on to Punjab. Now Punjab, this particular state seems more in favor of continuing the lockdown. However, curfew relaxations will be further increased. The state has asked for more say in zone status and micro planning along with seeking more central fiscal support. Highly placed sources said that the state has also sought for conditional opening of MSMEs in red zones as well. Now let's move on to Kerala. Kerala is a state that relies heavily on tourism for revenue, and since the lockdown, tourism has completely been shut. There is no revenue through tourism. But the state has managed to flatten the curve of coronavirus cases as well. Very few coronavirus cases are active in the state. So it wants metro services, local trains, domestic flights, restaurants and hotels to be reopened. Let's move on to Karnataka. This particular state has also done well to contain the viral outbreak. It has asked the central government for permission to reopen the restaurants, hotels, gymnasiums and all the public places that were closed weeks ago to encourage social distancing and check the virus spread. Now last week it had also allowed pubs and bars to sell liquor on takeaway basis till May 17th. Let's move on to Tamil Nadu. It has also asked for economic activities to be restarted except in containment zones. The state has registered a massive surge in COVID-19 cases over the past few days. A vegetable market in the state capital of Chennai, that is Coimbatore market, has been linked to more than 2,600 cases in the state. However, the ruling AIADMK has said that it has managed to identify zones where the virus is spreading rapidly. From Monday, it announced a major relaxation, including extension of working hours for shops and private establishments. Let us move on to Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra has recorded the maximum number of coronavirus cases in the country. The government on Thursday expressed its intent to extend the lockdown in Mumbai metropolitan region, Pune, Solapur, Aurangabad and Malegaon till May 31st. Now, these areas have emerged as COVID-19 hotspot in the state. The possibility of extending the restrictions at these places were also discussed during a meeting chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Thursday. Now, the state has also begun the delivery of liquor at home to avoid crowds at shops. But what more relaxation the state is planning apart from this, it is not yet clear. Let us move on to Gujarat. A lockdown with certain relaxation will continue in the state. Offices in the red zones outside the containment zones will be allowed to open up with 30% staff for few hours in a day. However, the lockdown will be strict in containment zones. It wants to resume all the economic activities in all major urban centers except Ahmedabad, which accounts for the state's 70% of the coronavirus cases. Rajkot will fully open from Thursday and Surat will fully open up from Monday. Inter-district travel, resumption of bus services and opening of all the offices also was being considered. Let's move on to Madhya Pradesh. As per sources in the Chief Minister's office, economic activities will start in the green zones. It is possible that shops will be opened up in the green zone under the odd-even formula. The areas of the red zone which have survived from infections will also witness controlled economic activity in Madhya Pradesh. Let us move on to largest Indian state, Uttar Pradesh. In India's most populous state, lockdown will continue in red zones. However, 1/3 shops in a market will be allowed to open outside the sealed spots in red zones. Private offices have already been allowed to open with 50% staff. Manufacturing and agriculture activity has already resumed with certain conditions. In orange and green zones, normal life with restrictions will continue. Malls, gyms, restaurants and schools will however not open. Let us move on to Haryana. Lockdown with modifications are likely to continue in the state. Along with this, borders will remain restricted with conditional access. State transport will begin in 10 districts. The state is also planning to resume bus services to only Delhi railway station starting from May 18th. Industrial and commercial activity will increase in the fourth phase of the lockdown in Haryana. Let's move on to Himachal Pradesh. Now, sources in the Chief Minister's office informed that lockdown and modified curfew with increased commercial activity will be the major focus when considering Lockdown 4. State borders will remain closed with restricted entry. Industrial and commercial activity will slowly pick up. The state government will also seek more permission for economic activity. Intrastate movement is planned to increase. The state government also plans to be tighter than other states in managing inbound movement. Let's move on to Odisha. Now, Odisha will have a strict lockdown norms in containment areas only. Other areas will have relaxed lockdown norms with focus on social distancing. Let us move on to Bihar. The state government sources inform that lockdown will continue along with giving relaxation for commercial activities in certain sectors, especially in rural areas and retail sectors. Let's move on to Rajasthan. Except the affected areas, the Rajasthan government is not in favor of further extending the lockdown. The government wants economic activities to begin in the green zones. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has demanded from Prime Minister that the zone determination for the lockdown be at the state level so that economic activities can be restarted. Let's move on to Assam. Now, the state of Assam is in favor of extending the lockdown by another 2 weeks. Assam will have strict lockdown norms in containment areas only. Other areas will have relaxed lockdown norms with focus on social distancing. The lockdown will be relaxed in phases. However, it all depends on the number of new cases detected. Well, after the lockdown that stretched over 53 days, the states now want to open up the economy. The state now want to open up their particular areas in the state. So, they are planning more stricter curbs on the containment zones. However, they want to open up the areas which are out of the danger, including the green zones and the orange zones, even the red zones which are out of the containment areas. They want to open up and they want more and more economic activities with consideration of social distancing in these particular areas. But what will be the guideline for the lockdown phase 4? That will be announced by Ministry of Home Affairs as said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So let us wait for that new guideline.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.